What was your salary progression in your first 5 years of sales?
Okay, I'm gonna try and remember this. And again, I'm like 152 years old, guys. Like my first year in sales was back in the 90s, so you might want to adjust the income numbers. My first job that I had in sales, first real like big boy sales job, I had a $30,000 base. It was financial services. I had to get a 6, a 63, and a 7 to get the job. Lots of studying there to get the job. But then the job only had a bonus attached to it. There was a $10,000 bonus. So the most I could make would be 40 grand. Within about 4 months, I had achieved all of the gates to hit my bonus. Now I had to wait the whole year to get it. But I started to see, gosh, if I keep working here, there's no more money I can make. Recruiter came in, stole me away. The next job that I got after 4 months of leaving that one, because there was no upward mobility in income, 30,000 base, another 30 projected in commission. So what we call OTE, on target earnings, were 60 grand. On that job, I made 187,000 my first year. So it was really good. I blew it up. The second year I made 230,000. Third year, I made 225. Matt, why did you make less money? This typically happens to a lot of salespeople. They shranked my territory down, right? They changed the comp plan on me. They pulled the rug out from under me. It happens, right? Companies adjust. So I left that company after about 3 years. The next job I got was 150 base. It was big time sales. Another 150 in commissions, 300 OTE. I made 375 in year 4 in sales. And then in year 5, I made 450. So one of the things I want you guys to know, in sales, you can always make a lot of money, but just be prepared that you might have to move around a little bit or take different jobs within your company, because they're always going to try and promote you or shrink your territory. I will teach you how to close right now, but not right here. We've got a course on Easton University. It's normally $300. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it for you right now. Click the link in my bio. I will cover the cost for you to get the closing course. It is the easiest curriculum we've ever went through. You're going to learn how to close. You're not going to be pushy. You're not going to be manipulative. You will double, triple, quadruple your closing rate when you go through that course. So I'll buy it for you. We'll cover it right now. Click the link in my bio.